Everybody, so I got a tool haul to do. I got some items from Walmart.com. Well, I got one item out of the 3 that I ordered, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick haul. It could be considered a tool, it could also be considered an electronic tool haul. So I got this package showed up. I'm waiting for the other 2 packages. The tracking isn't working at all, so you know, the tracking still says that this hasn't showed up, but so I picked up these 2 items. I'm not going to unbox both of them on this video. It's going to be kind of a see what you guys can guess, see what you guys think it is kind of video. There's already stuff falling out of the bags though. There's a gasket, but yeah, let me know what you guys think it is. I'll do the unboxing on a different video. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.